This case is a chilling reminder of how one reckless decision can destroy lives. Today, we're seeing a man who's not only accused of driving at nearly 100 miles per hour, but is also wanted for a DUI incident that resulted in someone's death. The tension in this courtroom is heavy because the judge knows what's at stake: public safety and the value of human life.
So probably led him to him here.
That's correct, Judge.
What's he wanted for?
I'll let Amy go ahead and speak to that.
Makes me very happy. Looks like you're wanted out of another jurisdiction for a DWI causing death.
Yes, sir.
And now we have you here because you picked up a reckless driving. You want me to let you out?
To go to Mississippi. Yes, sir.
It's cute. I don't even know what happened. Let's figure out what happened in the reckless driving.
Judging the reckless driving, on August 25th, 2024, officers were patrolling the southbound of the 7600 block of East San Luis Tollway South. Officers observed the defendant in a black lifted truck traveling at a high rate of speed. The officers captured it speeding for radar at 97 miles per hour in the 65 mile per hour zone.
Right from the start, the judge isn't buying any excuses. It's clear that this isn't just about reckless driving, it's about a pattern of dangerous behavior. The fact that he's already tied to a death-related DWI makes every word from the judge hit harder.
My concern is for public safety. He's already killed someone on the road with the DWI, allegedly, and now he's driving at near about 100 miles an hour, weaving in and out of traffic, causing others to brake around him. And you want me to set you a bond? Really? I would like hair. It's not going to happen though, man.
Notice how the judge's tone shifts here. There's no room for negotiation when someone's actions have already cost a life. This is about protecting everyone on the road, not just punishing one man.
Judge, so this is a fugitive case. The basis of the fugitive case is for him to answer in the demanding jurisdiction. He had no notice that this case was open. It sounds like the comparison here to Harris County would be a 2B warrant. Nobody notified him of a court date, a court setting. The actual charge is violation of a court order. So I'm assuming they want him to present
I don't
himself.
know that. How do you know that?
There has been no presentation made besides him having a fugitive case. If that's
How long has this case been open, Amy?
Judge, I do not have that information at this time.
And that's the problem with these cases. We don't have the information. So just on the information we have, he's got a fugitive case, violation of a court order. I would ask for him to be allowed to answer for that. Is regarding public safety, he's answering for that in Court 15. He's answering for that in Mississippi. This case is just to assure that he makes it to Mississippi to present himself, to avail himself to their requirements. He hasn't had the opportunity to do so. This is the first notice he's had from what he's telling me that he's had to present himself, and he's got a plan in place to do so. He hasn't messed up in your court before. I'm asking for the opportunity for him to go turn himself in. If he messes up, okay, fine. At that point, we have no answer for why he messed up. But right now, he's saying he was.
The defense attorney tries to paint this as a misunderstanding, but the emotional plea about his newborn son is heartbreaking. The question is, should someone's personal struggles outweigh the risk they pose to others?
I love and appreciate your tenacity, but I think that you are a complete danger to our streets. We lead here in Harris County, the nation, per capita, in fatalities related to drunk driving cases. We, if you watch the news, every single day have someone dying on our roads because of someone who is making a boneheaded decision to drive like a freaking maniac. And you, not only do you have this case, but you are charged with killing another in another state while being under
He
the
was
influence.
a very, very good friend of mine, Your Honor. And
Specifics. They will use this.
So does that make it better?
no, sir, it makes
This is where the judge drives the point home. Every single day, people die because someone made a selfish choice behind the wheel. The judge's anger isn't just about this man's case, it's about the countless victims of drunk and reckless drivers. Asterisk.
He's presumed innocent. The basis of your,
Not finding him guilty, but Ricardo, I think that he's an extreme danger to public society. He's a danger to our roads. And what we will do is I will hold you at no bond in our jail until you resolve these cases. And at that point, we will notify, or I mean, you've already notified Mississippi that we haven't, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Hey, Rick.
Judge, where he's got no other criminal history. When was this DWI?
Last year,
Last year,
May.
he's had no criminal history since this one DWI and this reckless driving. He hasn't answered for him yet. He's willing to answer for him.
Listen to the weight in the judge's words here. When she says, "I don't want that kind of blood on my hands," you can tell this decision is deeply personal. She's seen this story play out too many times.
100 miles an hour. I'm not giving him the bond. You will have to wait to answer until Mississippi comes and gets you. They will take you back if they come, because I don't even know if they're going to come. If they don't come and get you at that point, within the prescribed time, Harris County will release you. But me, I don't feel comfortable giving you a bond because I don't want that kind of blood on my hands. If I give you a bond and you go out there and do something, that's on me. And I have enough trouble sleeping at night as it is. I don't want that kind of blood on my hands.
Even when the defense offers strict conditions, the judge doesn't budge. Why? Because trust is gone. When someone has already taken a life, no promise can erase that danger.
Judge, can we do any other kind of conditions that you would find reasonable to?
I promise you, Your Honor, my
I know
son
that
is
you're
a
going
lot
to
more
promise me
important
it's
than
gumdrops and tulips and little bunnies jumping in the woods, but I don't believe you.
His wife can drive him to, we could sign a no driving affidavit if that's your concern. As long as it gets him out of jail, he will make efforts to get over there. He will sign a no driving affidavit if that's what it takes, correct?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
And he's got a plan in place. His wife will take him over there. He works at the refineries. I don't think money's going to be an issue for him. He's a welder, supervisor, something up there, inspector. And so he's got a plan in place. Holding him in jail for 14 days to wait for Mississippi is already punishing him for something that he hasn't been convicted of. We could find other alternatives to allow him to go over there. He could show you a bus ticket. He could.
I'm not giving him a bond card. I'm sorry. You're going to have to wait until Mississippi.
This case isn't just about one man facing charges. It's about the hard decisions judges have to make to protect the public, even when it means holding someone who has a family and a job. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call here? Let me know in the comments.